Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can adjust the rules and flags in F1 24. During this session you want to open the settings, so press Y on Xbox, triangle on PlayStation or F2 on your keyboard. And then over here you will find rules and flags. Here you'll find a bunch of different options, including the default rules and flags option, where it can be disabled, so no rules will be enforced. You have corner cutting only, where only this will be punished. And then you also have on, where all corner cutting and collision rules will be enforced. In addition to that, you can also adjust the strictency. You can set it to regular, and you can also set it to strict. Over here we also have additional options like park firm rules and the pit stop experience, where we have broadcast and immersive. You can also read the description of all of these on the right side. Keep in mind that you will need to use at least standard settings filter in order to access these rules, and you can press Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation, or of course F2 on your keyboard. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.